This is a tutorial on how to install the ADV expansion kit for the Crown 3 Sub-ohm tank. Unscrew the 510 base counterclockwise and remove it from the center section. Be sure that your tank is empty and pull your coil out of the center section. Unscrew the top cap directly under the drip tip. Use the Uwell key to unlock the lock nut. You can turn this clockwise to unlock. Grab the center section at both ends and turn them counterclockwise to remove your glass piece. Remove the original red O-rings from the two end pieces of the center section. Locate the L-shaped gaskets included with your ADV expansion kit. The L-shaped gaskets will fit inside each slot of the center section. Stretch the gaskets out by pulling each side as far as possible. The gasket will need to be stretched to match the slots on the center section. As you can see, the gaskets are still too small for the installation. Stretch the gaskets farther, they definitely will not break. The gaskets are now the same size as the slots. Push the gaskets into the slot evenly. Do this quick because the silicone will return to its original mold size. The top center section part is ready to fit the protruding inner diameter of the ADV kit's expansion rings. Now we will do the same with the other center section piece. Stretch the second L-shaped gasket to match the size of the slot. Install it quick. The gaskets are made to hold against the inner walls to prevent leaking. Install the second ADV expansion ring. Now you are ready to place the 33mm fused quartz glass piece. The quartz is much stronger and more shock resistant than the original glass. Place the quartz glass in the center and between the two ADV expansion rings. Twist the two center section ends counterclockwise just half a turn to prevent cross-threading. Then twist clockwise to tighten the center section around the ADV expansion kit. Be sure to lock the device with your lock nut and Uwell key. Turn the key counterclockwise to lock. Be sure to insert the press-fit coil back into the center section. Screw on the 510 base section clockwise. Fill the tank and screw on the top cap clockwise. You can find a link in the description for InkDaddy.com. Be sure to like and subscribe to InkDaddy on YouTube. Thank you.